welcome. Welcome to the Twisted Beanstalk. I'm going to do a few things right now. As you can hear, the kids are home. They're talking about how many likes they got on a video. So I have this baby here that is going to be a Beanstalk bud. And so I need to give her some eyebrows. That's what we do. That's what we do sometimes. Give baby us eyebrows around here. Okay. Anyway, let me see. Yeah, I have a few babies I have to put together and get them out. Would be nice. But you know me, delayed. Probably gonna work on this slightly and then maybe just do like a music over, I don't know, over what I'm talking about. Just darken up these eyes a little bit. But sometimes I do like to just work and watch a movie. Last night I did that, and I was like finishing rooting and watching a movie, and the movie actually was really good. So then I actually finished it and everything. A lot of the time when I start watching movies on my TV, it's like if I'm not interested in it within like 2 minutes, I change it. I have a really bad habit of doing that. Like, yeah, no. Or I'll watch some of it and then, I don't know, I'll just like lose interest really quick. So I forget what my point was going with that. I don't know, something about watching movies and working. This is just mapping it out. Oh my gosh, for some reason, I was just reminded that I was having nightmares last night. And I haven't in a really long time either, so I'm really surprised that happened. And it's like every time I woke up and then fell back to sleep, I would continue with something like really creepy, and it was something just flew into my mouth. It's something like that had to do with trains and stuff, and like, I don't know, it's freaky is all I know. It was like giving me anxiety when I woke up and I like felt the anxiety in my body. So bizarre. Yeah, it was like really scary. I'm like, why? And then I tried to go back to sleep, and so then I fall back to sleep, and then it's like a whole other one starts. It's super weird. I don't normally have bad dreams like that, but not like I used to. And I also don't remember a lot from last night. All I know is I woke up and I didn't have socks on. Like I fell asleep with a hoodie, socks and pants on. Like I was fully dressed. But then when I woke up, it was off, and I was like, I don't remember doing that, but apparently I did at some time during the night. This one is not being friendly. This eyebrow. This is going to be one of my Beanstalk buds. Sometimes the eyebrow gods are not looking down on me, and I have to do it a couple times. It's okay though. Practice makes perfect. I said that like I was totally intoxicated, and I literally have had nothing to drink. That's not fair. Let's see here. For some reason, this one whoop, it would help if I used the brush end. I don't know what I just did there. Look at what the heck was I just doing? Oh, you little creeper. Now be a good baby and keep your eyebrows on your face, okay? I don't want to have to tell you again. Let's see. Ugh, what am I gonna make for dinner tonight, you guys? Why can't I have a personal chef? Goals. Sometimes I think I should just take a cooking class. I should do that, hey? I feel like I should do that. I feel like that's a good idea. There's gotta be some sort of cooking classes, right? You would think. And if there isn't, there should be. Maybe I should start teaching cooking classes. You don't want to see that. You don't want to see that monstrosity. Okay, let me get another. Okay, you know what, brush? You're not my friend.
I don't know. I need to ask mommy. Mommy.
Right?
Mommy.
It's them talking.
Mommy.
Oh my gosh, I would be so creeped out if, like, ugh. Oh, shoot. Okay, I don't know why this paint is being difficult. Huh, paint? Yeah. Yeah, you are.
First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotions waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Need to deep breathe, heart and complications. Open up. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, Engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open up. Open. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up.
Look at so cute. Forget who is this? Corbin, the Corbin sculpt. So stay tuned because they will be up on my Etsy soon after I bake it, and then I'm gonna be coming back to do some work on my prototype, and then also some work on a clown reborn, some designs that I've been working on. So kind of all over the place right now, just finishing some stuff up. And then also I have this baby that is almost done. I was just working on her hair and some details. And yeah, so I'm gonna go make dinner and then I'll come back, and thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.